Kenmore Range Troubleshooting. If you're looking for help fixing your Kenmore range, look no further. Our comprehensive Kenmore Range Troubleshooting Guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and show you how to read your model's error codes. Entire range won't operate. If none of your range's functions will operate, ensure that its power cord is firmly plugged into the outlet. There may be an issue with the power supply to the appliance. So examine your home's fuse box or circuit breaker. Replace any blown fuses or reset the circuit breaker if necessary. If there is adequate power to your range but it still won't turn on, its service wiring may be incomplete. Contact Kenmore at the number listed in your owner's manual for assistance. If you are trying to use the oven portion of your range and it won't operate, make sure that the time is set on the display clock. The oven won't turn on if the clock hasn't been set. Cooktop element doesn't heat. If the elements on your smooth cooktop won't heat or aren't heating evenly, check that you've turned the correct control knob for the element you want to use. The elements may seem not to heat or may seem to heat unevenly if improper cookware is used. Avoid lightweight or warped pans that don't distribute heat evenly. Opt for flat, even, medium or heavy weight pots and pans, which heat more evenly, so food isn't likely to burn. Abrasions on cooktop surface. If you notice marks on the smooth cooktop surface of your range, they may be abrasions or scratches from rough food particles that get trapped between the surface and your cookware. These marks don't affect cooking results and usually fade over time, but you can avoid them by wiping down the cooktop and your pots and pans before cooking. Abrasions may also appear on your cooktop's surface if you don't use the proper cleaning products to clean it. Choose a cleanser designed specifically for ceramic glass cooktops and buff it with a non-abrasive sponge or cloth. If your cooktop has discoloration, it may be caused by food that has boiled over and been cooked onto the ceramic glass during cooking. A razor blade scraper can remove the debris. Mineral deposits from food and water can also discolor your cooktop surface. Use an appropriate cleaning product to remove them. Range isn't level. If your range doesn't appear level, examine the floor beneath it to ensure that it is level and stable enough to support the appliance. Contact a carpenter or contractor to strengthen the floor if you notice it is sloping or sagging. Your range may not be level if it was poorly installed. 2. Set a rack in the center of the oven and place a level on it. Adjust the leveling legs at the bottom of the range until the level indicates the problem has been corrected. Keep in mind that the alignment of your kitchen cabinets can make the range appear like it's not level. Cabinets should be square and allow clearance for the range.